Welcome back with my new video. Today I'm going to opening up a MSI GF65 Thin 10 UE. It's running the Max P3060 with an Intel i7-10750H. So to begin with, to get in, we're going to use some Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to work our way and take out all the screws out. Here all the screws are the same size, so there's no concern that mixing and matching, because they're all exactly the same, which makes it nice and easy for us. I'll start with this side, remove this panel. Then, here I just used my tool to just slide down and twist it just slightly and continue to right hand side. For this you can use plastic card or old bank card, and remove this panel. After removing panel you can start to loosen this side, just slide down and twist it just slightly. I'll leave left hand side for last, because that side has all USBs and sound outputs. So just quickly, a quick overview on what we have here. This is cooling system, so these are the VRMs, GPU and processor. So we do have a reasonable amount of heat sink on there. We have 2 RAM DIMM slots. Before doing anything, disconnect the battery over here. Here we have wireless card, free M.2 slot and main NVMe SSD. Then, we are going to install RAM right here. This is very straightforward. Pull these 2 tabs here out and it should flick up like this. Then new NVMe installation. It is also straightforward. Slide it into the groove so those copper pins are hidden, then screw it. Then reconnect my battery, which is fairly straightforward. Slide like this, slide it across just slightly and then just be able to pull it forward. So now all that's really left is to simply reassemble it. Start with left hand side, so the 3.5 connector, USB-C ports need to be slid over first, and then everything else should fall into place. Thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you in the next video.